Hey, today I want to teach you how to make polymer clay earrings, so come along and let's do this. First things first, you're going to find your polymer clay. I'm going to be using Sculpey Primo, and you're just going to take it and open your package. You want to have a flat surface, so I found a tile that I do all my clay work on. If you don't have a tile, that's okay. Just find a flat surface that you can work on. So I'm just going to take half of this and start squeezing it and conditioning it. Takes some strength. You can also take a clay roller and start rolling it out. And get it a little flatter. Okay. And I have a pasta machine, so I'm going to run it through my pasta machine. So we're going to have to swipe it through the pasta machine a few times, or pass it through. When you go through the pasta machine, you want to fold it over, and you see this crease, make sure that crease goes in first. It's looking good. Okay, now that we have our clay rolled out, the next thing you want to do is burnish it to the tile or the piece, so whatever, you just want it flat against the surface that you're working on. Okay, so we're gonna find a cutter. And before we find our cutter, I'm going to go ahead and apply some cornstarch to this, just a little bit of cornstarch. And then I have a heart-shaped cutter here that I'm going to go ahead and just place it and press down hard, give it a little wiggle, and lift up. Do that a couple of times. You can make one more set. And the next thing you're going to do is peel up the excess clay. So I just take it from the corner and just start peeling it up. And there we have it. We'll keep that for later. So you see how the hearts are like stuck to the tile? They're not going anywhere because we took our roller and burnished it to the tile. So there you have it. And now I take this tile and I put it in the oven for 30 minutes, 275 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and stick it in the oven. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do after we've taken our clay earrings out of the oven is we're going to trim the sides. We want to clean up the edges. And if you don't have a Dremel, you can use a nail file. Okay, I'm going to do that for both hearts. Okay, so now we have both of our hearts and we're going to drill holes at the top of them. I think what I'm going to do is drill it at the corners of each heart. One thing I forgot to mention is that at the beginning stage of whenever you're, forget it. Okay, so from here we're going to go ahead and place our jump rings onto the earrings. So I think the one jump ring that I have here is about an 8mm jump ring. I'm just gonna put it through the hole. And so I take one jump ring and I put it through the hole, and usually I have a smaller jump ring that I put through that jump ring because I don't like to bend my hooks. So, okay, so now we're gonna open up the smaller jump ring. And I'm just taking it and I'm pulling this backwards and I'm keeping this steady. And then I'm placing the hook on the jump ring. And there we have it. I'm just going to do the same thing for the other heart. So there we have our heart earrings. I know that you can do this, so keep up the good work.